Everyone, I am Archita. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Department of CSCI. Today, let us discuss about types of system calls. Introduction to system calls. System calls are the interface between user level applications and the operating system. They provide a way for programs to request services from the operating system. System calls are typically used for tasks such as file management, process control, and network communication. Process control system calls. Process control system calls allow programs to create, terminate, and manage processes. Examples of process control system calls include fork, exec, and wait. These system calls provide functionality for process creation, program execution, and scannerization. File management system calls. File management system calls enable programs to perform operation on files and directories. Examples of file management system calls include open, read, write, and close. These system calls provide functionality for file creation, reading, writing, and deletion. Device management system calls. Device management system calls allow programs to interact with hardware devices. Examples of device management system calls include read and write. These system calls provide functionality for controlling and accessing devices such as printers and network interfaces. Communication system calls. Communication system calls facilitate communications between processes and across networks. Example of communication system calls include socket send and receive. These system calls provide functionality for inter-process communication and network communication. Memory management system calls. Memory management system calls enable programs to allocate and delocate memory. Examples of memory management system calls include free and mmap. These system calls provide functionality for managing memory and resources efficiently. Network system calls. Network system calls allow programs to establish network connections and perform network-related operations. Examples of network system calls include socket, bind, and connect. These system calls provide functionality for network communication and configuration. Security system calls. Security system calls provide mechanism for controlling access to system resources. This system can provide functionality for managing for permissions and user privileges. Time system calls. Time system calls enable programs to retrieve and manipulate system time and date. Examples of time system calls include time, get, time of day, and sleep. These system calls provide functionality for time, scannerization, and scheduling. Conclusion. System calls are essential for program execution and interaction with the operating system. Different types of system calls serve specific purposes such as process control, file management, and communication. Understanding the various types of system calls helps developers utilize the full potential of the operating system. Thank you.